I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa nachos, only way. Start by prepping bright salsa with chopped tomatoes, onion, cilantro, lime juice, and jalapeno. Layer chips on a baking sheet in a single layer, sprinkle cheese evenly, and add dollops of salsa and beans. Bake until cheese melts and edges crisp, then finish with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and a drizzle of crema for a perfect crunch. Make a lively salsa by combining chopped tomatoes, diced onion, minced jalapeno, chopped cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Taste and adjust acidity or heat, aiming for bright, balanced flavors. Let the salsa rest for a few minutes so the ingredients meld. Use this fresh salsa as the star topping and reserve some for serving on the side to keep parts of your nachos crisp and vibrant. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it hilariously simple to tidy up crumbs while you cook. It handles chips and salsa fallout so you can focus on flavor. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Arrange chips on a rimmed sheet and distribute shredded cheese evenly to ensure uniform melting. Add beans or seasoned meat sparingly so chips stay crisp, then bake briefly until cheese bubbles. Remove and immediately top with fresh salsa, avocado, sour cream, and cilantro so those elements remain bright and cool. Serve right away to preserve crisp edges and contrasting textures that make these salsa nachos truly irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.